Hello, in this video we're going to look at the main features tab, and the first feature is the lost password link. If we have a look at a login page, the lost password link is the one here. Now there is a function within WordPress which allows us to remove that, which you will achieve if you change the link to remove link and hit save changes. That will remove the link completely. Just give my test server a second to load up. Now that's a standard option, but we've added an option where we will change the text. So I've changed it, let's lead some login help. So if I set custom text and save that, the custom text will now be saved. This of course will break any multilingual link to another language, but you have full control on the words that are put in there. Likewise, you can remove the back to link, which again is a WordPress function, or you can replace it with some custom text. It's always made up of back to and then the name of the site, by the way. So there it disappears, and if we want to, we can remove normal text and replace it with our own custom text instead of removing it completely. So that allows us to change that message. The next message is the login error message. Now personally I'm a little bit concerned about the login error message because it's a little bit too helpful, and people trying to break into your site can use it to discover things. For instance, if I put in an invalid username, I'm told the password field is empty, so it's helping me. Now it tells me that username is invalid. What about the admin username? And I'll put a password in. Now it tells me the username admin, the password is incorrect. So I'm now pretty sure that there is a username admin on this site. It's for that reason that I'm not so happy about this. It's a bit too helpful really in these days of insecurity. So what you can do is you can either remove the link completely, which means that people get no message whatsoever, which again is a standard WordPress function. So if we try to log in, then you see the error message is being removed, although the box doesn't, but the error message is removed. What you can do instead, which is a little bit more helpful to valid users, is to use some custom text again. Reset, just log in, thank you. Okay, and now we just get a standard error message, which is a little less helpful to hackers, but still a bit helpful to people trying to log in. You also notice, I think, that the box does a shake when there's an error. If you find that annoying, and personally I do, then we've added the WordPress function to remove the login shake. Just tick that box, hit save changes, and the login shake will now disappear. There we are. And the last thing is, some people like the remember me checked. If you're using the system yourself and you're not giving it out to lots of other users, you might like to have this remember me checked automatically, so you don't have to keep clicking on it. With the remember me checked, it will automatically default to being checked. And those are the features in the main features section of this plugin.